India vs Sri Lanka 2024 T20 series. Team India new squad. Number 1 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Sanju Samson, right-hand wicketkeeper batsman. Number 3 Yashasvi Jaiswal, left-handed batsman. Number 4 Rinku Singh, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Hardik Pandya, all-rounder. Number 6 Riyan Porak, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Rishabh Pant, left-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 8 Akshay Patel, all-rounder. Number 9 Arshdeep Singh, fast bowler. Number 10 Shubman Gill, right-handed batsman. Number 11 Ravi Bishnoi, spin bowling. Number 12 Shivam Dube, all-rounder. Number 13 Washington Sundar, all-rounder. Number 14 Khalil Ahmed, fast bowler. Number 15 Mohammad Siraj, fast bowler. Who is your favorite player? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.